So good morning. So we are discussing about Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So phenol aromatic. What is the reagent? Chloroform by NaOH. So what is the main product? Salsilaldehyde and para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Salsilaldehyde, para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So the salsilaldehyde is the major product. So I have given mechanism and what is the electrophile? This is very important. Dichlorocarbene, neutral electrophile. Dichlorocarbene, neutral electrophile. Okay, Nana. Now example. So this is a pyrrole. Chloroform by NaOH. So what is our answer? This is also aromatic ring. This is also undergoes Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In pyrrole, alpha beta is there. Here alpha position is important. Electron rich position. Electrons readily attacks at alpha position. Now in this case, answer Riemann-Tiemann reaction, what happened? Here is the aldehyde formation and one more abnormal product you will get like this chlorobenzene. Already this is old entrance question, remember? Already that is old entrance question. So this is abnormal product also will get. How the abnormal product is formed? How this abnormal? First you know the mechanism. First hydrogen here double bond. What is the electrophile, Nana? Dichlorocarbene. This is electron deficient center. Now here electrons are migrated here. What is the charge here? Minus. This minus attacks here. Okay. Here is the double bond. C. Here Cl2. When electron act here minus, here plus. This is the intermediate. Now what happened here? Remaining thing. Here mainly here minus and plus immediately forms as what? Here minus plus immediately forms as what? Ring. This one and this one. Here already ring is there. Here hydrogen acidic. Here 3 carbon ring. But 3 carbon ring less stable. Means readily undergoes cleavage. Okay now. In this case, what happened here? This hydrogen undergoes cleavage, acidic nature. Whenever hydrogen is H plus cleavage means here this bond undergoes cleavage. Here H plus cleaved, here cleavage. Here means what happened? Due to cleavage, here plus, due to this cleavage minus. Minus plus become here Nana double bond. Here double bond Nana. Whenever here minus is there, automatically Cl cleavage. So H plus cleavage, Cl minus. Remaining what happened? This middle carbon cleavage means 6-member ring. 6-member ring here. Here already double bond is there. Due to hydrogen cleavage, here double bond forms. Now due to this cleavage, here double bond, here chlorine. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called as 3-chloropyridine. 3-chloropyridine. Like this abnormal product is possible. Here more important abnormal. Otherwise here normal Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Here 3 6-member ring nitrogen is there, pyridine, chlorinate third. That's why 3-chloropyridine. This is old entrance question. Remember 3-chloropyridine. Similar question I am giving. Whenever cyclopentadiene answer. In this case also same chloroform by NaOH given. In this case also first you will get dichlorocarbon. So in this case same, here double bond is there, here also double bond cleavage. Tell me answer. A double bond, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is highly acidic. Why? Because both sides without drawing this CH2 is called as what? Active methylene. Active methylene means CH2, active means acidic. H plus ion, here C, here Cl, here Cl. Then what is our answer? You know, first basic medium, NaOH is their basic. Here acidic hydrogen, OH, H plus releases. Here H plus and OH removes as water. Whenever H plus cleavage here automatically what happened? This bond undergoes cleavage. Here cleavage, here cleavage. Then what happened? Here Cl minus cleaved. That is NaCl. Tell me again what happened due to cleavage? Here double bond, ring opening due to cleavage, here double bond. Now what is the product here? Chlorobenzene. What is the product here? Chlorobenzene. Like this we'll get chlorobenzene product. Okay na? Abnormal, normal compound is different, here abnormal. See, lot of difference is there in these two examples. Similar way, whenever furan is given, furan also involves in Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Here no acidic, no ring expansion. That's why what is our answer? Here aldehyde. This is called as furfural. The aldehyde of furan is called as furfural. So like this you will get different product. One more example, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, paracresol. So I am writing different examples, abnormal examples. Remember, deviations are there. The entrance corner, these are very important for entrance point of view. Now paracresol treated with the chloroform in presence of NaOH. Paracresol, NaOH. What is our answer? In this case here you will get aldehyde. Why? Because here ortho-para director, I told you very clearly. Now you will get here aldehyde. Here CH3. One more abnormal product is there. Here keto group double bond. Here CH3. Here CHCl. So this is abnormal product. This is normal aldehyde only, but here this is abnormal. How we will get this abnormal product? Normal is a normal only. Riemann-Tiemann mechanism, it's enough. But how we are getting abnormal product? What is our answer? Answer. Here phenol, you know. Then in base medium. Here very clear. This is acid here base. Acid base reaction, salt formation, you know. First one we are getting what? Phenoxide anion. What is our answer, Nana? Phenoxide anion. So we know resonating structure, phenoxide and resonance table. This electron migrated here. This is migrated here. What happened here? Double bond here minus double bond. We are saying this is electron rich place ortho. Electron rich place ortho. Electron rich place ortho. Okay. Again here minus and these are conjugated. These electrons shifted here. These electrons are shifted here. Double bond O, double bond here, minus charge here, double bond. Again what happened? These electrons are coming here. These electron comes here. Just I am writing resonating structure, mesomeric effect. So conjugated electrons are migrated. How? So we are indicating very clearly how the electrons are migrating. Now next one, tell me, Nana, what happened here? These electrons are migrated here. These electrons are migrated. These all five are resonating structure for phenoxide anion. These all are five resonating structure for phenoxide anion. Now, out of this one is involved in bonding clearly. Riemann-Tiemann. Now I am taking this example. This one. This one. Tell me. So in that case, what is there here? Here double bond O is there. Here methyl extra. Here already this is minus. For paracrysal I am writing. This for paracrysal I am writing. Paracrysal I am writing. Okay na? Paracrysal. Paracrysal. Now then tell me what is the electrophile? CCl2 is the electrophile. CCl2 is the electrophile. Tell me here electron rich place, here electron deficient place. That's why your electron rich place approaching this one. Now that one forms as what here? Here this is double bond O, here double bond. Double bond here, what is there here? CH3. Now here what is there here? CCl2. Whenever electrons are transferred here, we'll get minus charge. Further resonance are here cleavage of hydrogen is not there. Yesterday example, here hydrogen cleavage, then H here attack. But here no hydrogen, remember. Further no reaction. Further no reaction. H2 attack. H plus for neutrality. This H plus added here. That's why what is the product here? C double bond or double bond, double bond. Here what is our answer? CH3. Here CHCl2. This is the abnormal product. Abnormal product. Abnormal product. Answer is there. Okay na? Mahesh? Abnormal product is there. So whenever Riemann-Tiemann reaction is given, no. Riemann-Tiemann reaction is given, then our answer here, Over. Okay, na? That is about Riemann-Dimmer reaction, its application, Nana. Carefully observe. The reaction intensity is very important. Now, next one, coal-base reaction. Coal-base reaction. Coal-base. In coal-base reaction, again we will take here Riemann-Dimmer reaction type only. Here phenol, double bond, and the reagent is what here? Carbon dioxide by NaOH. Carbon dioxide by NaOH. So here COOH, carbon dioxide, this is a neutral electrophile. Remember, this is a so many times sentence question. What is the electrophile in coal-base reaction? What is the electrophile in coal-base reaction? Electrophile in coal-base reaction, very important. Okay. In this case, the electrophile attacks where Nana OH we know this is ortho para director. That's why electrophile attacks at ortho position. So whenever carbon dioxide attack, that becomes COOH group. Ortho attack as well as a para attack. Ortho attack as well as a para attack. Now this is a salicylic acid. This is a para hydroxy. Para hydroxy benzoic acid. Salicylic acid, para hydroxy benzoic acid. Para hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, na? This is a major product, more important, salicylic acid. Now tell me how this acid is forming. How this acid is, salicylic acid is forming. We'll see the mechanism. Once again, coal-base reaction mechanism. Coal-base reaction mechanism. Nana, again here phenol is there. Phenol, then here double bond, here double bond, here double. Next one, NaOH is there. So NaOH acting as what here? Base. Base here, what is there here? OH minus. Here this acidic hydrogen, here OH. Removal of H plus. Here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. You can write lone. These electrons migrated here. These electrons are migrated here. Double bond here, no. Double bond here, minus charge here, double bond here. Again, these electrons are migrated here. These electrons are migrated. Here double bond O, here double bond here, minus charge here, double bond. Okay, now next, these electrons are coming here. These electrons are approaching. Just resonating structures. Double bond here, double bond. Here double bond here, minus charge. Next one here double, no. These electron migrated, this is O minus, here double bond, double bond. Here total how many structure? 5 structures. Just these whatever phenoxide anion is formed stable. How that is stable we are explaining through resonance. Whatever phenoxide anion is formed, this is stable. So the stability explained through mesomeric effect, resonance. Okay, na? Out of these 5, anyone you can take. All are same. Finally, all give same answer. Any intermediate you take, all give same. Now I'm taking here electron density more at ortho and para. That's why we are saying electrophile attacks at ortho and para. Okay, na? Electrophile attacks at ortho para. Now, once again, we are writing here C double bond O, here minus charge here double bond double bond. Next one, Nana, here carbon dioxide. You know, this is a neutral electrophile. Again here bond undergoes cleavage. Again here bond undergoes cleavage. O minus C plus. This is C plus, your electron rich place. Now here minus is electron, here deficient. That's why here new bond formation between carbon and carbon. Just I am writing aromatic electrophilic substitution only. These all are examples of electrophilic only. I am clearly writing electrophilic. Then here what happens? See, here this is a double bond O, here O minus. But what happened, Nana? Here H is there. You know, next step removal of proton. Removal of proton, this proton cleavage. Okay. So if proton cleavage, then answer H plus, here H plus transfer to whom? This is transferred to this place. Okay, here H plus and coming here, then our answer. Double bond O here C. Double bond here OH. Here double bond, double bond. Due to cleavage, what is charge here? Minus. Due to this cleavage, here H plus here minus. Again, these electron coming here and these electron coming here. Okay, then what is our answer now? Resonating structures only here. O minus, here double bond, double bond. Aromatic character regenerated COH. But this is more acidic, more acidic. Again, these electron transfer here. What is our answer here? This is OH, COO minus, here Na plus. After we'll write hydrolysis, we'll get carboxylic acid. For mains NEET directly they will ask, what is the product, what is the electrophile? For advanced different way they will ask. Passage question like that. Okay, na? So like this here, carboxylic acid. Now salicylic acid. So you see, your electrophile attacks at ortho we are getting. Your electrophile attacks at para we can get answer. This is the total mechanism, very clear. This is a coal-based reaction. Now next example. For example, pyrrole is given. Here also coal-based reaction you can write. Now in this case, where will attack, Nana? At alpha position, I told very clearly, alpha position, your COH group. This is our answer. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction, chloroform by NaOH, coal-based reaction, carbon dioxide by NaOH. Carbon dioxide by NaOH. Carbon dioxide by NaOH. Clearly right, carbon dioxide. Okay, nama. So here alpha beta, carbon dioxide attacks at alpha. Our answer is what? At alpha carbon COH attack. Okay, na? Like this a coal base reaction. Small in Riemann-Diemann reaction, phenol chloroform. What is our answer, Nana? Here OH group. Again here what? Aldehyde, salsilaldehyde major product. Salsilaldehyde is there, that is a major product. Okay, na? But whenever in place of carbon chloroform, carbon tetrachloride NaOH is given, then our answer salicylic acid, not salsilaldehyde. Here major product salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. So this is major. Chloroform is given aldehyde, carbon tetrachloride is given acid, salicylic acid. In coal-based reaction, we are getting salicylic acid. In chloroform also will get salicylic acid. Remember, salicylic acid. This is very important intermediate. So by using salicylic acid, different reactions are possible. Just I am going behind that salicylic acid. So for salicylic acid also you can write a different reaction. Okay, na? Reaction with Na, reaction with NaOH, reaction with sodium bicarbonate, reaction with the PCl5, reaction with the zinc dust. Different applications I am writing. Soda lime, extension I am going soda lime, reaction with the acetic anhydride or acid chloride. Next, reaction with the methyl alcohol by acid. Next one, phenol by acid, phenol. Okay, na? Different reactions are possible. This is salicylic acid. How we are getting Nana salicylic acid? By Riemann-Diemann reaction by what? Coal-based reaction. Kada? So phenol is there. Phenol. Here CCl4 plus NaOH is given salicylic acid. Next one here carbon dioxide by base is given. From phenol directly we are getting salicylic acid. Two ways are there. Two ways. Okay, then for salicylic acid I am writing extra continuation. How application? Same. Reaction with Na means what? This is a base now. A reaction that reacts with phenol or both are acidic. COH acidic. Which is more acidic, Nana? COH is more acidic than phenol. Na reacts with both, Nana. What is the importance? Means here importance means whether this reacts with the 2 moles or not. 2 moles of sodium react, 2 groups involved in the reaction. For that purpose I am asking question here. What is the importance are here? NaOH reacts with the phenolic OH and COH both. But bicarbonate what, Nana? I have given very clearly. Bicarbonate reacts with only COH group. Phenolic OH does not involve. Phenolic does not involve in reaction, means only one COH group only involved. PCl5 nucleophilic substitution. I told you very clearly, phenolic OH does not involve COOH. This OH involves in the reaction. This OH involves in the reaction. The OH, but phenolic OH does not involve. For that purpose, I am writing comparison COCl OH and COH group OH comparison. I am writing zinc dust. Phenolic oxygen removal na zinc dust. Then you will get benzoic acid. This is soda lime. You know, soda lime means removal of carbon dioxide, decarboxylation. Here COH group. COH group removed. Whenever COH group removed, you will get only phenol. Next, acylation. I told you very clearly, acylation. Mononichano. Acylation, alkylation. This group attacks at phenolic system, not COH. Phenolic system reaction. Ester form aidani ichanu. Then this is called as what? Acyl salicylic acid. Acyl salicylic acid. This is called as aspirin drug. Very important drug. Nowadays, more important aspirin. హార్ట్ అటాక్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ రెగ్యులర్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. హార్ట్ అటాక్ రాకుండా హార్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ రెగ్యులర్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. నాన్న గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఆస్పరిన్ డ్రగ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డ్రగ్. ఇది మెడికల్ టర్మినాలజీ, అన్ని ఎంట్రన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆస్పరిన్ డ్రగ్, రిమెంబర్ ఆస్పరిన్ డ్రగ్. సేమ్ మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్. మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ whenever acid is there, esterification, alcohol. ఏమైంది నాన్న, ఇయర్ OH రిలీజ్ అయితే వెళ్ళిపోయి ఎవరు వస్తారు? OR గ్రూప్ వస్తుంది, ఎస్టర్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఏ యాసిడ్ అన్నా కానీ ఇలా ఎస్టర్. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది నాన్న? వాట్ ఇస్ ద OR గ్రూప్ ఇయర్? OCH3 గ్రూప్ ఇస్ OR. మరి OR ఎక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది? ఆన్సర్ ఇక్కడ ఈ OH ప్లస్ తో కదా. చూడండి ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఈ OH రిమూవ్ ఆ ప్లేస్ లో OR. మరి వాట్ ఇస్ ద OR ఇయర్? OCH3. therefore our answer now, what is there? CO OCH3. this is as it is. The name of the methyl salicylate. Already old entrance question, methyl salicylate. This is called as oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen. Methyl salicylate. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా మిథైల్ సాల్సిలేట్? ఎక్కడైనా విన్నారా? మీరు ఆయింట్మెంట్ చూడండి, దెబ్బ తగిలినప్పుడు సోప్రమైసిన్ కానీ ఇక్కడ చాలా ఆయింట్మెంట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. మీకు ఆయింట్మెంట్ పేరు చదవండి, అందులో పెయిన్ కి ఉంటది మిథైల్ సాల్సిలేట్ అని. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు? OR గ్రూప్ ఇయర్ POH. సేమ్ రియాక్షన్ ఇక్కడ COOPH. ఇది OH. యాసిడ్ గ్రూప్ తోటి సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ యాసిడ్ తో ఇది అటాక్ అయితే ఫినైల్ సాల్సిలేట్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as సలాల్. ఫినైల్ సాల్సిలేట్ సలాల్. ఇది మిథైల్ సాల్సిలేట్, ఆయిల్ ఆఫ్ వింటర్గ్రీన్. ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్, ఎంట్రన్స్ కార్నర్. సార్ మనకు సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ లేదు కదా అనుకుంటే కాదు, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ రాసా నేను. ఏంది? సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ కి ఎలా రియాక్షన్? రీమన్ ద్వారా వస్తుంది మీకు, కోల్ బేస్ రియాక్షన్ ద్వారా. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాను, దాని మెకానిజం కూడా ఉంది. త్రూ కోల్ బేస్ రియాక్షన్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్. ద మెకానిజం ఆల్సో అవైలబుల్ హియర్. ఎలా ఇందులో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిన ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఎవరు అడగొచ్చు, ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఎవరు అడగొచ్చు, ప్రోడక్ట్. ఇన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఒక్కో దాంట్లో. The number of questions are possible to ask here. That's why Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Next reaction, Nana, here coal-based reaction and applications of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid reaction with Na. Na reacts with COH or OH. Both competition I am writing. Comparison I am writing. Na react NaOH, but sodium bicarbonate no. ECl5 reacts with acid, not OH. Phenolic OH does not involve. I have given very clearly. Phenol does not have reason due to resonance in between carbon oxygen. What happened? Double bond character developed. That's why no cleavage, Nana. This is your answer. Okay. Zinc dust means removal of oxygen from phenolic system. Soda lime decarboxylation. Acylation reaction with alcohol. Acid reacts with alcohol. Here anhydride means acid derivative reacts with alcohol. You will get phenyl acetyl. This is acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin drug, remember, very important drug. Methyl alcohol, alcohol reacts with acid. There, your acid group important, acid reaction. Phenol, both are same. Okay, this is about salicylic acid, important. Now, coal-based reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Next example, Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. Gutterman aldehyde synthesis, Nana. Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. So in Gutterman aldehyde synthesis, same. Phenol is there. Phenol reaction with HCN. HCN followed by hydrolysis. HCN, Nana. There also you will get aldehyde, majorly salicyl aldehyde. Here OH, here CHO. Again, main, what is our answer? Salicyl aldehyde. In Gutterman aldehyde synthesis also main important salicyl aldehyde only. In Gutterman aldehyde synthesis, main important salicyl aldehyde. But how the phenol is converted salicyl aldehyde? We'll check. Again, Nana. Here HC triple bond. Okay. Here bond cleavage. Now this is carbon plus N. Now the carbon attacks at where? Phenol ortho position. Like this will get. Now after that, you know hydrolysis. Here bond cleavage. How you see here OH, C double bond here. H group is there. Here one H attacks here, NH2, here OH. I told you on same carbon. Here OH NH2 is the removal of NH3. You will get C double bond O. Last week I have given that one. Similar way here also same answer. What happened? Aminohydrin, no. Removal of ammonia. Whenever NH3 removed, you will get answer. You will get answer. What is there? Aldehyde. Aldehyde, salicyl aldehyde. Like this, HCN is given. HCN is given. That is called as Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. In Gutterman aldehyde synthesis, also our answer. Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. Our answer is what? Aldehyde only. Okay na? Mechanism you check clearly. Here very clear. HC triple bond is there that attacks here. Finally your answer. Here one more example. Pyrrole is there. Answer. Same here that attacks at where? Alpha position. You will get aldehyde at alpha. Once again answer. Next answer. What is our answer, Nana? The aldehyde of furan for fural. Okay. Here this is Gutterman. Instead of HCN, we can take RCN. That is called as Hauben-Aussich reaction. So in this case, same mechanism, everything. Here in place of HCN, I am taking R. Phenol or C triple bond hydrolysis. Same Nana, bond cleavage. Then here that carbon attacks at alpha position. Then what is our answer here? OHC. Here R group is there. This is formed as ketones. This is for Hauben-Aussich reaction ketone. 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 Here aldehyde ketone. Gutterman aldehydes in this aldehyde Hauben-Aussich reaction ketone. Mechanism, same mechanism, above mechanism. Now example here, phenol is there. Reaction with methyl cyanide. Then answer Nana here. Here OHC. Keto group at ortho position. Keto group at para position. So here number of mechanisms we are writing. Number of mechanisms we are writing, very important. Okay na? Number of reactions. Pyrrole. Answer Nana. Here CO group, here CH3. So like this at para position, alpha position, right? Keto group. Alpha position is there. Keto groups are given. Okay na? Like this here we can write a different reaction. So today we'll stop. Why? Because many examples are given. Number of mechanisms are given. Just you go through these all mechanism, then you will get idea. That's very important condition. Okay. So next one, mass class will continue. Mass class. Vijay.